Hey everyone, we are going to be making a beautiful potato pudding. So here's my potato, or here are my potatoes rather. But I'm adding carrots and pumpkin to this one. Yes, look at vegetables.
Yes, so this
too,
is my
right?
potato pudding coming on, guys. We add carrot to it and pumpkin. We have vegetable it up today.
Two teaspoons of vanilla, half teaspoon of salt, and stir up the sugar. Okay, no, wow, that's beautiful, right? Pretty. The pumpkin, carrot, and potatoes all grated together. Then the caramel in another bowl with the cinnamon and now some nutmeg. Wow, it smells so good. Cannot imagine what it's gonna taste like. Right, so I'm mixing everything together. Mixing it little by little, but it's all coming together to make one beautiful, delicious potato pudding.
Good.
Okay, so that's everything together now. Oh, I'm adding some golden raisins, like 2 tablespoons. And the last thing, some butter. Yes, I'm adding about a tablespoon of butter, but I'm gonna be just shaving this in. Yeah, shave little pieces of butter on the top. Sometimes I melt it and mix it in, but this time I didn't, so I just shave a few little pieces on top. And a little tip to get a little slush on your pudding sometime, put it close to the top of the oven. Yes, it is done, guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't wait to cut it. But it's hot. Well, kind of cooling now.
Trying to see.
Wow.
Oh my god. Mmm. Wow. This is so delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's the golden raisin. Mmm. Oh, what a party tonight. Woo! Oh, what a party tonight. Nah, that burns. You put nicey, too nice. Woo! What you may spite somebody you know? Hey.
Y'all, I'm gonna try this pudding. Well, not try, because I've been eating it all night. Like, I don't think I'd eat anyone else's pudding but my mother's. It's that good.
Boy, you put nice, man. I tell no lie.
It's so good. So
Your
good.
father, top cut this pudding.
This pudding was made less than 2 hours ago, and it's halfway done.
Yeah, because as it cool, you start cut up my pudding.
Anyways, make sure you guys like, share, and follow for more. Bye!